Hello, I'm back with a, I guess, more in-depth or more advanced click no start fixes and diagnostics for the 3000 GT Dodge Stealth platform. I guess this platform is very notorious for having a click no start, or you turn the key and you get absolutely nothing. The car is dead. Your starter's good, battery's good, everything's good, but the car won't even turn over. My other video, it was more the most common problems that cause it and what to look for. This video is a more in-depth analysis. My car ended up having a click no start, or actually a nothing no start, sorry. And it turned out to be this daughter board on my ECU. I don't know if you can see. Before I accidentally broke it just about 5 minutes ago. That little circuit right there was burnt. And that was causing my pin, the pin 108 on the ECU, focus, to not ground. It wasn't grounding, it wasn't turning on my fuel relay, my MFI relay, multi-fuel injection relay. Let me see if I can remember what wire it was to look for so other people know. Here. And Miko said, "Give me light." And there was light. Okay. It is the blue and I believe green wire. It's the only wire that goes from your MA. Let me just bring you over here. There we go. I thought I had a flashlight on this thing. Okay. It is this wire right here. So it is green. It was blue with a green stripe, a little silver on it. Hope you can see. Okay, see that little blue wire with the green stripe? Now trace that back over to your ECU. It should be. It's hard to get leave here. Is that it? Yeah, here we go. Blue, that's it right there. Sorry about that, blue, that's it right here. I can't get down in there because there's no room for me to get down there on the camera. But that should be the wire right there. Blue with a green stripe on it. I mean, you can check your printout, your pinouts to make sure. And that was not grounded. This little board over here, this is a new board, but the old one, it wasn't. It was burnt on the side. So I desoldered that one and then put a new one in there. And the good thing about these boards, or these little daughter boards, are that, turn it over for you. See that right there? These seem to be standard on pretty much all of the ECUs, at least for the first gens. I can't speak for the second or third gens. But for the first gens, they're all the same. Meaning that if you have a turbo ECU, and it's hard to find another turbo ECU that's in good shape, you know, there's some leaky capacitors, you can go to a junkyard or wherever, eBay, one of the forums, and find, say, an NA ECU for a non-turbo one, and get that little chip. Make sure it says E has an Echo 538 on it, and it will be the same exact daughter board that's on your turbo ECU. So you can just desolder and install another one on there. You can save yourself a good $150 having to send it out and then waiting a month to have it rebuild and then sent back to you. So that's another really common problem that happens on these boards over time. You can also, of course, check these other little daughter boards on here too to make sure those are good if you're having problems with your car not starting. See on the side right there, because one of those may also have either blown circuits on it or blown resistors or what have you. See, even like this little daughter board over here. Always check those. That's after you've checked the most common cause, which is leaky capacitors. That's after you do all the diagnostics and you chase back your wire and you figure out, hey, am I getting power to this wire when I'm supposed to be getting power to it, like say when the key's on or key's off, or you got your home meter set up. Trace it back, get the ECU wiring diagram. You can download the manuals from off with 3SX. They have the manual there. I think Chris also has the manuals for free at ninjaperformance.com. You can download the manuals for free, the car manuals, and excuse me, you can flip through it all in PDF format and trace all the little circuit boards back, and it'll tell you which one is which, or like this controls your fuel, trims your fuel maps, or this controls your MFI turning on or off, whatever it may be. So yeah, that was a problem, and don't be scared of desoldering or soldering on. Just take your time. Make sure you have like either some desoldering wick or even a little sucker so you can suck up the oil solder. That makes things much easier. If you're going through, make sure your tip is clean and you tend it properly. Yeah, and just take your time. Make sure you don't apply too much heat to it because you don't want to burn up the board when you're soldering your new piece in there. I can't take total total recognition for this. I had a lot of help on the boards through White 99 GT93 or whatever his screen name is, and Steve helped me out as well. We were just rattling ideas off of each other, trying to figure out what was going on with my car, and that's pretty much what it turned out to be. So I really hope that helps people out in the future, help save you some bucks, help save you some headache, and help save another car, especially another turbo car from going into the junkyard, because they're not being made anymore, and so they're getting a little bit rare every other week because people are junking them because they can't figure out how to start them or what have you, and it usually turns out to be really simple problems that keeps them from starting. Alright, I can't think of anything else right now that can any other advice I can give you, but like I said, I hope that helps you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box below. If you just want to be a dickhead for just being a dickhead, whatever, do it in the comment box below. Have fun, I don't care. Alright, later. Go outside and fix something, guys. Bye.